What up everyone, this is Vico, your GoHighLevel Ninja. Welcome to another episode of your GoHighLevel Kickstarter Q&A. This is happening right now in our Facebook group. If you haven't joined that yet, make sure that you join to make sure you get the best resource and the best platform to discuss and talk about agency, automation, high-level SaaS, anything to do with that topic, those category, it's all in here. Make sure that you don't miss out. So try to do this video as often as I can, addressing all of the questions floating around the groups. I'm going to go through each of them as quickly and as clearly and transparent as I can. Emna here said, can we add a picture to each question in the form through CSS on GoHighLevel? That's a yes. Got to make sure where to find the CSS. A lot of people, there's a huge marketplace about that. You can ask the Facebook groups, but our recommendation is always my boys Tom Bristle. I think I tagged him in the comment. Tom Bristle, Nan Patel, and yes, just a couple of guys specialize in this. It's not us for sure. We don't do that. For a missed call and text back, can you explain here how the customer can set it up with their existing phone number, or does it really work with Twilio number? So when a customer call, the missed call text feature is enabled. To answer your question, mate, Ogden, so make sure I send you a friend request as well. To answer your question, is it have to be from Twilio? I know what you mean. Like, you don't want too much work for your client, and you just want like their number to get a text back feature when they get a call. That's not possible. It has to be through Twilio. Now that being said, there's not going to be much work on their end if you have the proper process and the proper system in place. We recommend that you're using the SaaS mode. All right, so this is the GoHighLevel 497 mode. It's allow you to have like one solid, like one main Twilio account, and that Twilio account has sub account itself, just like GoHighLevel, and that sub account you can use to service your client, and then you can build them for that. If you want to make life a lot easier, depending on how many clientele you got, SaaS is really good for scaling in this feature. So once you actually eliminate that Twilio bottlenecks for your client, they don't need to do anything. So now you just have to make them acknowledge and accept that they just gonna have a standalone number, which is a new number from Twilio. Then the whole text back feature stuff, it's just a matter of setting up trigger or workflow. It's not a big deal. So just to clarify on that, is when someone call or text this number, you add them to a campaign or you add them to a workflow. Okay, how can we integrate live chat with GoHighLevel? So there's a lot of feature, just like Steven Andrew here mentioned. Rimsha is really simple. There's a lot of software like that in the marketplace. We personally used to use Talk2, TAWK.to. Talk2 have a little bird. You just go into the website, it's free, and you just copy and paste their code and you put it into your website. But what I want you to make sure that when you put it onto your website or your funnel, it's a very different way on how you put it to your GoHighLevel sub account, right? So let's say you have a GoHighLevel account and you got like 10 SAP account underneath you. If you want to have a speech bubble in the SAP account, it's very different on how you want it on your funnel or on your website. All right, very, very different, right? So if you want it on your SAP account, you would go to agency setting and put the CSS there, the coding there. If you want it on your website, you have to go to funnel or website and put it in the header or the footer. So very different. So make sure that you align that. If you want us to make a video walkthrough, make sure that you create a poll on the Facebook groups and get enough vote, get enough comment. We'll definitely do a walkthrough and a live training on that topic for sure. But we also come on here, we recommend that you use the GoHighLevel native chat bubble, because why not? It's just easier. Once people click on the chat bubble, they have to enter their name, information, and email, and then they create as a contact in that GoHighLevel account. Okay, all right, let's go up. Let's just scroll up here. This is our biggest giveaway. Got a lot of comment. I'm new here. I'm gonna go through setup, and I have to stop because I'm confused. This is Ethan. I'm sending myself an email in the GoHighLevel platform. Setting up the mail gun and account is very confusing because the video I'm learning seems to have an older version of the platform. I can't seem to find the trigger section in GoHighLevel to make sure that my email are being sent. Can anyone help me? So first of all, you're right. Every video that's being made about GoHighLevel or its partner platforms such as Twilio or Mailgun or SMTP, Sending Blue, and all that stuff, every video that people made in the past is always going to get outdated because those platform is always going to be involved, especially Highlevel is always changing its user interface. So it's very hard to keep up. I really understand your frustration there. So that's why we recommend that you guys come in here and subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure that you get the most updated content. Well, what the heck is going on in the marketplace right now? I really recommend that you just scroll up here, Ethan. In the feature chat, there's an SMTP topic. So if you click on this post, we have an SMT playlist. And if you click on this is our SMTP playlist. It have anything between Sending Blue, Mailgun, Amazon, SES, And a lot of, even G Suite, we have like so many options that you can just follow those instructions and just knock it off the park. And I'm really not sure how outdated our video is. You just have to find out and give me feedback on that. But make sure that you subscribe to the channel. This playlist is the best resource we have right now, because in terms of SMTP, I have my staff helping out me with that. But yeah, I definitely understand the struggle. Best thing I can recommend is just go through this playlist. It's as detailed as possible, as anyone can help you with. But yeah, so we're gonna be wrapping up this video. I feel like there's no more question, to be honest. Really don't feel like we have any question there. We'll went through it for this week. So if you guys have any more questions, make sure that you tag me. If there's some training in some topic, on some topic that you want to see, make sure that you create a poll or a post that generate demand in terms of voting and a comment, just to make sure that we know what you guys want, and it has to be good enough volume in terms of demand. Therefore, we're going to make a very detailed SOP and detailed training for you to help you out with that. But yeah, just let me know what question or what video you want to see like this in the future, and we're going to try to tailor our content according to that. So this is Vico again, your GoHighLevel Ninja. We'll see you on the next one.